First, get to the JTB Education website. Then in the top right, put in the DFE number of the demonstration school, that's 9991234, and then click Login. Use the second combo box at the left to choose a subject. Let's start with English. Each disc you can see is a student. The higher they scored at Key Stage 2, the more points they're expected to gain in English GCSE, and this puts them further to the right. The higher their actual grade, the higher up they come. Students should be arranged along the diagonal line. Above it, and they're doing well compared to their starting point. Below it, and they're doing worse. Just as with all the charts, you can hover over a student to find out more details about them. For example, Benjamin Barker isn't doing well. His data card shows he got a 4B in English at Key Stage 2, but now he's only predicted a grade E. You can also easily search for a student by surname. For example, where's Julia Robinson? Just type in the first few letters of her surname to highlight her disc, and there she is. Every disc is coloured, and you have many alternative ways of doing this. At the moment, the colours represent levels of progress in English. The key for this will always be at the bottom left. The dark orange that Julia Robinson has represents 4 levels of progress, which is better than expected. Gold is 5 or more, green is 3, red is 2, and black is less than 2 levels of progress. Try colouring in according to pupil premium. There's a Wirra here about Ryan Wells, Benjamin Barker and Katie Shaw. Or how about special needs? With English and Maths, the default covering is by levels of progress, but this isn't available in other subjects. However, you still have the rest: special needs, pupil premium, current free school meals, looked after children, gender, ethnicity and English as additional language. If your subject is taught in more than one group, you'll also be able to highlight by teaching group. When the key comes up, just click a group to highlight those students, or click Show All to recolour all the students. You can also rotate the diagonal line to look at who is the most above and most below the expected line using the Chart Type button. Luke here is making the most progress and Ryan the least. Notice how you can easily pick off the students in your vulnerable groups who are making poor progress.